Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable uptime monitoring with Pingdom for VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable uptime monitoring with Pingdom for your VPS, start by visiting the Pingdom website. Create an account if you do not have one already. Log into your Pingdom dashboard. Once logged in, look for the Add Check button. Click on the Add Check button to begin setting up your monitoring. In the pop-up window, select Website as the type of check you want to create. Enter the URL of your VPS in the designated field. Choose the check frequency that suits your needs, such as 1 minute or 5 minutes. Select the regions from which you want Pingdom to monitor your VPS. Enable SSL certificate monitoring if your VPS is using HTTPS. Determine the notification settings for alerts in case of downtime. You can set up different alert contacts like email, SMS, or a third-party service. Once all settings are configured, click on the Create Check button. Your uptime monitoring check will now be active. Pingdom will start monitoring your VPS and notify you of any downtime. Make sure to check your settings and adjust them if needed in the future. Review historical uptime data regularly to assess the performance of your VPS. With this setup, you can ensure your VPS is consistently online and minimize potential downtime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.